Namaskar. My today's poem is about the historical mistakes made by countries which they could not justify. First stanza is about British rule in India, their brutality towards Indians. Was that an act of humanity? No. Could Britishers justify Jallianwala Bagh massacre? Second stanza is about the atomic bombing on the cities of Japan, Hiroshima and Nagasaki by USA. Was that an act of humanity? No. Third stanza is about our neighboring country, who is always keeping an evil eye on our country, on our border areas. Is that an act of maintaining peace? I think no. Let's come to the poem. Title is Let Me Hate You. Let me hate you. My heart is bleeding profusely from hundreds of years. Wounds have not healed, saw the death of loved ones and dear. Waiting for the worst fate, could not forget the date. Everywhere stampede and death, Jallianwala Bagh massacre of dying breath. Hardship we endured, bitter truth we faced. Our resilience you witnessed, we saved our race. Young faces you hanged, to hear death we banned. If you were so inhuman, then let me hate you. You called yourself greatest of all times. Was atomic bombing not the worst crime? Scattered flesh, burning corpses. Your acts were insane. To whom history gave the garland of blame. Up to maximum extent, they cried. Losing every hope, they died. Generations are coming and going. Time for them is not flowing. Ill effects are still being seen. Your ugly mind wanted dangerous pain. Could not think about the innocent, could not think about the civilians. If you were so inhuman, then let me hate you. Don't show us your eyes, we will gauze them out. Intentions to touch our motherland, we will freeze them out. We are not the same of 1962. You saw Doklam clash? What we can do? If you still follow the same path, we will not hesitate from the bloodbath. From past mistakes, you should learn. Don't play again the game of gun. To restore our rights, we can go for any fights. Arunachal is an integral part of our nation. If you dare to touch, be prepared to face inflation. Our yearning for peace, national dharma, sacrifice life for motherland, supreme karma. Forsake humanity. If you choose war, we will give you a rememberable scar. If you are so inhuman, then let every Indian hate you. Thank you. Jai Hind.